Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how you can log out from your account in PicsArt PC. Anyway, if you don't know there is PC version of PicsArt, you should try this. So you can download this app from the Microsoft Store, and after you download it you can open and you can log into your account or sign up for a new account. So you can see for the interface, so many features here and easy to use, and I think it will make our work easier. So basically, like the mobile version, I think. Alright, back to the main topic, how to log out from your account in PicsArt. So you can click on three dot right here and select logout. Click OK. That's it. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.